let's also look at how the amount of wraps you do will affect your French knots. As a standard, I always wrap mine twice, but you might see in some patterns they say to wrap once or even 3 times. So let's have a look. We're going to wrap once this time, poke the needle down, and that makes quite a dainty knot compared to 2 wraps. So let's just pop 2 wraps in here. I'm using 6 strands of floss, by the way. So that's your 2 wrap knot. It's a little bit chunkier, and let's just have a go over here and make a 3 wrap French knot. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, and then we'll poke our needle down to form the knot. These ones are a little bit more topply, so I probably wouldn't go more than 3 normally. And there we have it. So as you can see, you can actually control how chunky your French knot is by doing 1, 2, or 3 wraps. But for my patterns, the standard is 2, and that's sort of my go-to amount.